So we have this question from geometry today. Let's see what all things are given to us. First of all, I can clearly see that this big quadrilateral that is given to us is a square. It is a square, correct? Apart from being a square, two equal circles are fitting inside two equal halves of this square. We are also given that points A or B are tangency points. What does that mean? That means the line segments touching these two circles at point A, point O, and point B will be tangents to these two circles. Okay. Apart from this, we need to find out angle AOB. We need to find out this angle AOB in blue color. Okay. Let's see how we can find this angle. Before starting this question, let's mark few important things in this figure. First of all, let this vertex of the square be point C. Correct? Now, this is a square and this is a diagonal of a square. So, what will be this angle? This angle will be 45 degree. Yes, I hope you know why this angle is 45 degree. Correct? Now, we will see how to solve this question. As we noted previously that all the line segments touching these two circles at point A, O and B will be tangents to the circle. That means CA, CO and CB will be tangents to the circle. Yes, these will be tangents to the circle. Now, we will use one rule related to tangents and circle. What is that rule? Let's see. That rule says tangents drawn from an external point to a circle have the same length. What does that mean? That means tangent CA and CO will be having the same length. Why? Because they both are drawn to the same circle from an outside point, point C. Yes, that means these two will be equal in length. Now, if these two are equal in length, triangle CAO will be isosceles. It will be isosceles. Correct? Because these two are equal in length. Now, if these two are equal in length, that means the angles opposite to them, that means angle OAC and angle AOC will be equal to each other. Correct? Now, what is the sum of three angles in a triangle? Let's write it down. Angle OAC plus angle AOC plus this angle 45 degree in this triangle CAO is equals to 180 degree. Now, as we know, angle OAC and AOC are equal to each other. What will be the measure of angle AOC? It will be 180 degree minus 45 by 2, which will give us angle AOC is equals to 135 degree by 2. Correct? So let's write it in a box and also mark this in the figure. Angle AOC is 135 by 2 degree. Correct? Now, as we can see that the circle, upper circle and this lower circle, both are congruent to each other because they both lie in two equal halves of the square. Now, what is happening to the upper circle? The same thing will happen in the lower circle. What does that mean? That means similarly, angle BOC will be 135 degree by 2. Yes. So let's mark this in the figure. This angle will also be 135 degree by 2. Correct? And which angle we need to find out? We need to find angle AOB. Now, what is angle AOB? Angle AOB is sum of angle AOC and BOC. That gives us 135 by 2 plus 135 by 2, which gives us the final answer, that is 135 degree. The measure of angle AOB is 135 degree. This will be our final answer.